and welcome to Tapping Tuesday. This is Dawn, and thank you for joining in, whether you're watching live or on the replay. So, yesterday was the 4th of July, and I know for many people, sometimes, the loud noises or the fireworks can really jar people's nervous systems and get them overexcited, especially kids. And so, sometimes having a really good tool to calm down your nervous system and send that amygdala to the brain, the part of the brain that houses your fight, flight, freeze response, that we're not in danger. We're not don't have to be in that fight, flight, freeze mode, and that we can have a tool to calm down our nervous system to get control and have a nervous system that's more balanced and regulated than overexcited. And of course that feeling is really good sometimes, or for some people, especially if they've been to had some trauma around loud noises or fireworks, sometimes that can trigger that response as well. So having that tool to calm down the nervous system is really important. So whether you're watching live or on the replay, I invite you to tap along. And if you do, just knowing that you are taking responsibility for your own well-being. And so we'll start in the karate chop point. And if there's anything that I'm saying that doesn't resonate with you, please feel free to just insert your own words. And if you're not familiar with the tapping points yet, if you're completely new to tapping, please feel free to check out the video where are the tapping points in this thread. Okay, so starting with the karate chop point and just slightly tapping, hard enough that you feel it, but not hard enough that you're going to give yourself a bruise. So repeat after me out loud if you can. That's always the best, but if you can't, you can just say it in your mind or to yourself. Even though this loud noises really excited me, or perhaps it made me a little bit afraid and brought up some memories of a traumatic time, or just the loud noise in itself made me a little anxious and felt that way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes those loud noises like fireworks really disrupt my nervous system, I now know that I have a tool to calm myself down, to calm down my nervous system. And that is within my control. And I deeply and completely honor and accept myself. Even though my poor little pets freaked out over the fireworks, or perhaps one of the kids, and it really disrupted them, and it was hard to not have control over that because the fireworks seemed to be everywhere, and they were very loud, and it was a little bit disruptive to my nervous system. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Now we'll do the tapping points inside of the eyebrow. These loud noises, side of the eye, that disrupt my nervous system. Under the eye, the loud booming of the fireworks. Under the nose, or the popping noises. Chin point, perhaps I got a little bit of ringing in my ears afterwards. Collarbone, or perhaps I just got overexcited about it. Under the arm, and I could feel my nervous system getting a little bit amped up. Under the chest, and felt a little bit of anxiousness. Wrist points, or overexcitement. Top of the head, but it was short-lived. Inside the eyebrow, and the fireworks and those loud noises are done with. Side of the eye, or perhaps my pet was freaking out a little bit. Under the eye, and I felt helpless. Under the nose, and it was hard to soothe myself or my pets. Chin point, so many loud noises. Collarbone, overexcitement. Under the arm, and it really affected my nervous system. Under the chest, and perhaps I felt it. Wrist points. But now I'm learning a new tool. Top of the head, because I want to calm my nervous system down. Inside the eyebrow, I want to regulate my system. Side of the eye, so that I can work at my optimal performance. Under the eye, and call in that calm and relaxed feeling. Under the nose, because it's possible to get back there. Chin point, even after all the excitement of the fireworks and the banging and the loud noises. Collarbone, I want to relax my system. Under the arm, I want to feel more in control. Under the chest, so I choose to be calm and relaxed. Wrist points, I choose to think positive, grateful thoughts. Top of the head, I choose to give my body, mind, and emotions the love and support it needs. Inside the eyebrow, within myself. Side of the eye, without needing any external validation. Under the eye, I can do it. Under the nose, I have all the tools I need within me. Chin point, and I remember to use them. A collarbone, because tools are great, but if I don't use them, they're not going to work. Under the arm, so I remember to take time for myself. Under the chest, practice good self-care. Wrist points, and have strong, healthy boundaries with myself and others. Top of the head, and remember that I'm awesome and doing the best I can. So be it, and so it is. Okay, take a deep breath. So hopefully that allowed you to get a little bit more centered and grounded and calm down your nervous system after 4th of July holiday. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment or send me a direct message, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.